Chapter 4. Mom freaks out when she comes home. I don't know this because I'm rinsing my hair, thinking about arms and legs, and if I had a choice about which limb, I had to give up what I would choose. Jessica, she gasps when she finds me. I turned off the water as she rushes over to the tub. She's got a phone with her and says she's in the shower. In, then clicks off. Did Fiona help you? She asks. I do a mock look around. Do you see Fiona everywhere? You should not have come up here by yourself. She's looking very stunned. What if you had? I'm fine, I tell her, and stretch away out to snag the towel and clean. I give her a smile, and I feel absurdly proud of myself. After I tussle my hair with the towel, I try the rest of me instead, wrapping the towel snugly around me. Then I grab the top brace of the door frame and shoo my mother back. The door guide hurts again as I hop onto the top wall, but I'm showing off now, so I act like it's no big deal. Wow, she says, when I'm standing on the other side. She's blinking at me. It's just she's just discovered her daughter is Wonder Woman, and for a moment, I feel like I am. How did you get upstairs? She asks. I tell her about my little adventure and assure her that it was safe and that I was never in danger of tumbling to my death. And I'm convincing her that my little sit and scoot method will be even easier going downstairs than it was coming up when I realized that my dresser's in the family room and I had no clean clothes with me. Scooting downstairs in nothing but a towel seems like a very bad idea. I'll get them, Mom offers in an overly hyper way, and she's already speed dialing my dad as she exits the bathroom. Hey, I call, hopping over the leaning out into the hallway. No sweats, okay? I'm going out to lunch with Fiona. What? She stops in her tracks and whispers to my dad, she's going out to lunch with Fiona. I smile and hop back into the bathroom, wondering when I decided that, and how in the world I can be feeling this good.